All right, well, we're talking about a very powerful storm system here impacting the central U.S. today. Severe weather with an enhanced risk of severe weather is issued by the Storm Prediction Center. On the colder side of this, though, blizzard conditions, very heavy snowfall, maybe 10 to 20 inches, and some 40 to 50 mile-per-hour wind gusts. So this is pretty impressive for mid-April with extreme fire weather conditions again today in the Deep South. So this is a look at all of the winter weather headlines across the northern tier of the nation. The bright red indicates the blizzard warnings posted from western Minnesota and northwestern Iowa through much of South Dakota, Nebraska, even into eastern portions of Colorado and northwestern Kansas. Winter storm warnings posted for Minneapolis, and then winter storm watches for the UP and lower part of Michigan. So again, this is quite a system with a big swath of about 6 to 10 inches, and then maybe some 10 to near 20-inch tallies from far western Minnesota into South Dakota and far northern Nebraska. So with all of the wind blowing that snow around, traveling in those areas will be nearly impossible. And then there will be some icing. We're talking maybe a quarter to a third of an inch. And with all the wind and the weight of the ice on those trees and then the heavy snow, we're talking power outages in some spots. So the severe side to the storm system has an enhanced risk from southern Iowa all the way down to the Arklatex today. Large hail, damaging winds and tornadoes. There's your threat on Saturday. Marginal threat in darker green all the way up into the Ohio Valley. And then a slight risk on Sunday from the mid-Atlantic states down to Florida. So as you take a look, the storm system moving out into the plains, pretty widespread in the effects with some snow and blizzard conditions, icing as well, severe weather, locally heavy rain, which could lead to some localized flooding. We're talking from Nashville down to Mobile and Jackson, maybe some 2 to 4 inch tallies. And as you head back to the west, much lighter amounts. But there you go, red flag warnings with extreme fire weather conditions again today in place over the southern plains.